Welcome to our Philippine TLE channel, Featured School of the Day. Our featured school is Pangandaman Provincial Science High School by Teacher Nornisa Picarat Pangandaman. If you want to be featured in our TLE channel, comment down below or send us your email address. How to make simple appetizer. The Tuna Canape by Pangandaman Provincial Science High School. An appetizer is a small dish of food or a drink taken before a meal or the main course of a meal to stimulate one's appetite. This is your Philippine TLE channel. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.